it works very, very well. I'm going to stop at nothing. If one thing I've said to myself to this 2025 is this 2024 stroke 2025 is this is November. I said I'm not going to scrape my hair again. That this is the time for me to feed my hair. This is the time for me to feed my hair. I have a very good hair, but because due to the weather of UK and everything, I have massive hair loss, which I said no, this is not going to happen or continue again. So I've made myself this beautiful hair food to mask my hair with. I need to start giving my hair what it wants, so I wouldn't leave it behind anymore. I want to start growing my hair back. So as you all know, I have very beautiful edges. This mask that I'm using right now has really helped me a lot. So that is what I'll be doing once every week, and my hair is going to be back. And I made the hair oil as well, but in that hair oil I'm going to post it as well. So join me, let's mask this hair together. So these are some of the ingredients I'm using in making these hair masks. So I'm using blended cloves, blended cinnamon, rosemary, some avocado, and some banana as well, and aloe vera as well. So what I will do is introduce my aloe vera into blender, adding my cinnamon, my banana, and rosemary. And again, I fermented this clove water. So I added some clove water that I fermented that I'm using to wash my hair into it, and I blend. After blending, I put into an empty container and start rubbing it all over my hair. So I'll continue maxing my hair. Make sure if you are maxing your hair that the marks touch your hair and touch your scalp as well. And there's something I noticed in maxing this hair. I noticed that when I finish, if I put the hair marks on my hair, I feel this hot flash in my scalp. And you know that I have dandruff, so this hair marks doesn't only grow your hair but also help in your scalp as well. It also cures dandruff. So you're going to be using these hair masks twice a week or once a week. So you have to massaging the hair masks properly. Make sure you massage, make sure you comb. And another thing I like on this hair mask is it will make your hair very soft. It's as if you are putting relaxer on your hair. So after you finish massaging, make sure you massage properly. Make sure that no part is left, and be generous with the hair masks. Just be generous with it. So after you finish massaging properly into the hair, and the next step to do is to cover your hair with hair bonnet, or I use nylon to cover my own instead. So guys, don't mind me, this is about 2 to 3 hours that I have this on. So I'm going to wash it, then come back and show you how I prep my hair. Okay, that's all done for you. Of my hair. Do you see how my hair is looking so mindful, so demure? I just started using this DIY and I've used it like twice now, and it works very, very well. So I'll just gently massage my oil and pat my hair. Pat my hair in 2 places. Gently massage the oil into the hair. that is what I will do. So this is back of my hair. So this is back of my hair where I have the whole fault when I came to this England. But you see, I feel is a bit grown because of the hair oil as well that I'm using. I'm going to stop at nothing if I didn't achieve what I want to achieve. I've already achieved what I want to achieve. The hair is looking so fuller. If you want your hair to be too full, so you're going to have like some particles in your hair after washing, because I didn't wash with shampoo or conditioner. So like within some time everything is going to clear. So never mind if you have like a bit of sandy in your hair. Okay, just wash it like that with plain water, no soap, nothing, and don't dry your hair. Allow your hair don't use towel to dry your hair. Just allow your hair to dry on its own. So, and that is for that. Saying after I finish washing my hair, I'll have like a little bit of sand, like a little bit of particles in the hair. Don't bother yourself, okay? Or if you wish to get that off, you can use your hand dryer to blow dry your hair, and those stuffs are going to fall off. So after patting my hair this way, I start putting my hair oil. This is my hair oil. So I'm going to share a... I refuse not to be angry in Jesus' name. I refuse not to be upset. It's okay. It's okay now. It's okay. So guys, that is it. So after putting my hair oil, I wear my bonnet. And one thing I'll show you is I have a little bit of dandruff in my hair. I started seeing dandruff after I finished making Didi. Okay, because the person used another comb instead of my comb. So I started having dandruff again. I had dandruff before, but with the supplement I'm taking, so I don't have it again. I stopped the supplement after making the Didi. I still find out that I have the dandruff again. So now, after applying these marks on my hair, I feel like my hair was burning, and I feel that the marks also works on the dandruff as well, because my head was burning after I applied the marks. So I have, and I think it helps because there is cloves and there is turmeric in it, and no, there is cloves, there is cinnamon in it. So that tickles my scalp, okay, and that shows that it's working on dandruff. So if you have dandruff, this mask is for you. So afterwards, I apply my hair oil. After the hair oil, I'll massage it properly. I'll make sure I massage properly. So I wear my hair, but today, if you like this video, kindly click on the subscribing button to subscribe to my channel. Please guys, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Give it to me. Going. You allow me to make videos. When I'll make videos,